If you're a beginner in stretching your ears, I need you to stop what you're doing and watch this video right now. I'm about to give you one of the biggest tips that I wish somebody had told me in the beginning that has helped me size my ears up so easy. If you don't know, just a little quick backstory. I've been stretching my ears on and off since I was about 15. I didn't start taking it seriously till about 3 years ago, and I didn't start doing this method till about 2 years ago. Daily or weekly oil or balm massages. I use the BodyJ4You oil. You can use a balm if you like. Doing these massages will help promote blood flow while keeping your ears elastic. And obviously having stretchy or elastic ears is very important whenever you're wanting to size up. Now, no one told me about this trick. I just kind of figured it out on my own. There was one time where I was stuck at a 1 gauge for months. It would not budge. And even though I was going in 1mm increments, I could not size up for some reason. I had just gotten out of the shower and I was getting ready to put my tones back in. I used the oil so I could do that with, and I just sat there massaging the heck out of my ears because for one, it just feels good and it's really relaxing. And then next thing I know, I stick my 1 gauge tunnel in and it slid completely through, all the way through. And I was like, you know what, let me try and put the 0 in, and it went in immediately. Now, I don't know if it was a coincidence or if the massaging had something to do with it, but I'm wanting to say that it was the massaging because ever since then I have been doing my weekly massages and it has helped me significantly whenever it comes to sizing up. An extra tip that I will give you is to take a hot shower, and then after you get out of the shower, do the massage. The steam from the shower will just help loosen up your lobes, and then once you go in with this and you massage it for about 5 minutes, you're good to go. You're golden. Now, just a little disclaimer, this method, it's not going to help you size up, but it does help aid in sizing up. Let me know if you've ever tried this trick before and if it's worked for you, because I would like to know if anybody else has done this and knows about this. And good luck to all the beginners out there. Bye.